ಸಂಸಾರದಾವ ನಲ್ಲಿದ ಲೋಕ ತ್ರಣಯ ಕಾರುಣ್ಯ ಘನತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्य गीता वादित्रमार्चान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकां पाशुतरङ्गभाजं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वातन्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भज तत्सदैवं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नं प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् निकुञ्जयो नो रतिकेलिसिद्धै यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीयम् तत्रातिदक्ष्या ततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् साक्षाद्धरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रे युक्तस्तदा भव्यतेन सद्भिः किन्तु प्रभूयां प्रियैव तस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. So Sadhguru is like an auspicious cloud giving us cooling showers of Krishna, cooling showers of Krishna Bhakti in our hearts, in our lives. And Sadhguru is always lovingly engaged in the seva of Bhagavan, Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. Sadhu is distributing the mercy, the prasada from Bhagavan to all the living entities. And Sadhu, Gurudeva is always relishing, every moment relishing bhakti to Bhagavan. Happily, lovingly serving Bhagavan. Well, what other occupation is there for Jiva anyway? To be happily situated in the loving service of Bhagavan. Bhagavan that's present everywhere. So, and not only that, but a Sadhu Guru, Premi Bhakta, is actually with Bhagavan. Bhagavan who has Rupa, who has this transcendental qualities, wonderful qualities, and is performing the loving pastimes. With this Bhagavan, the Premi Bhakta is always present. Sadhu Guru is always present. If a Sadhu Guru, Gurudeva is present with Bhagavan like that, where should we be, huh? We are Ashrita Bhaktas. We are Sanathas in the shelter of the Sadhu Guru who is engaging us in the loving seva of Bhagavan. So wherever he is, that's where we are, Ashrita Bhaktas. In the Guru Samsara, where there is only loving service to Krishna. So, and Sadhu Guru, Gurudeva, the Sadhu Guru is Radhika Priya Sakhi. And he is coming as Krishna Kripa Srimurti Srila Prabhupada, who is Radhika Priya Sakhi. And it is the same Srila Prabhupada that is carried in the heart of all the Gurudevas. So thus they are in total shelter, complete shelter of Srila Prabhupada. And we are in complete shelter of them. So thus we are all with the Radhika Priyasaki. So in this way, Yasya Prasadam Bhagavat Prasadam Yasya Prasado Nagati Kutopi Dhyayam tu vam tasya yasya trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. The Prasada of Bhagavan is coming as Prasada of Shri Guru. You know, yesterday we were hearing when a soul is in illusion, self-centered illusion, how would the soul feel? Vepatusya sarire me romahasya jayate. Gandivam samsrate hastatyak tvakchaiva paridahyate. How would a soul feel? So when a soul is feeling like that, when we feel those symptoms in the body or mind, then we should understand, oh, this is because of illusion. Oh, it is because of self-centered thinking. But I am not anatha to have this kind of feelings, to go through this in the body and mind. I'm a sanata. I have Guru and Krishna. Then we would not have any of those feelings. Vepatusya sarire me romahasya jayate. I'm unable to stand. I am unable to hold the Gandiva. My skin is burning. Arjuna says in the first chapter, all those symptoms, those illusory symptoms we will not have. When we remember that we are sanata, we are not anathas. So Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoye Savadana Mate Chahara Prasade Bai Bhavatoriya Jahan Krishna Prapti Hoi Jahan Hoite Gurumukha Padma Vakya Chittate Koriya Ikya. It's so strengthening to have Guru Mukha Padma in our chitta. So strengthening, so soothing. Arana Koriho Mane Asha. Shri Guru Charane Ratim Aise Uttama Gatim. Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha. Gurumukha Padma Vakya. This is the one that places us in devotion, from illusion to devotion. Gurumukha Padma Vakya. Chakshudan Dilo Jai Janma Janme Prabhu Singh. Divya Gnan Hriday Prakashito. Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate. Vedega Yahara Charito. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janara Bandhu Lokanath Lokera Jivana Ha Prabhu Koro Daya Deha More Pada Chayam E Bijash Kushutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoyilo Sharana Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupadam, Srila Prabhupadam. Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam, Jaya Guru Devam. Shri Guru Pyo Namaham. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are Bhagavans. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. वैष्णवेर पादधूलि ताहे मोर स्नान केली तर्पण मोर वैष्णवेर नाम धन मोर नित्यानंद पति मोर गौरचंद्र प्राण मोर युगल किशोर वृंदाय तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः the groves of Vrindavana the land of divine love where we belong to as we speak we belong to this groves of Vrindavana the land of divine love. Where do the Gaura Bhaktas belong to? Of course to the land of divine love, of course to the land of Prema Bhakti, because they are all Ashraya Bhaktas of Prema Nama. Prema Nama Ashraya Bhaktas. That's why all of us, the Gaudiyas, the followers of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, we belong to the land of divine love, the groves of Vrindavan. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ei Abhilashi Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tarin Vrindavana Vasi Moraye Abhilash Vilas Kunja Diyovas Nayane Haribo Sadam Yugala Ruparasi Eini Vedanadharom Sakhiranugata Korom Sevadhikaro Diyum Koronichadasi Dina Krishna Dase Hoi Eyena Mora Hoi Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayana Basi. Who are in the groves of Vrindavana? Shri Radha and Krishna. It's the same Shri Radha and Krishna that are present in the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare means Srimati Radharani. Krishna is the beloved of Srimati Radharani. So, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Isn't that Srimati Radharani and Shyamasundara in the groves of Vrindavana?